ProfileMate Review 2021. Would you rather throw thousands of dollars at Instagram ads, simply guessing at what your visitors will want to buy and hoping to break even? Or, use a revolutionary hands-free system that completely automates your social media marketing by generating an endless stream of leads and buyers and automatically engages with anyone who likes, comments on, or shares your competitors' posts? Hopefully you pick the last option, as that is the one that will maximize your sales and make you the most money. And that is exactly what the brand new ProfileMate system does. ProfileMate is the world's first and only Instagram analytic and growth tool that enables you to get thousands of contact emails and insights on your competitors' fans, both legally and ethically. It will optimize your Instagram marketing by analyzing your competitors' pages and engaging with your target market 24/7, while building relationships and making sales, all on autopilot. ProfileMate works with just 3 simple steps. Step number 1. Enter any Instagram page. Step number 2. Click the scan button and ProfileMate will scan through all of that page's followers. Step number 3. Download and then mass contact your new list of emails to target. ProfileMate is the world's first software to allow you to analyze, strategize and contact any page's followers on a mass scale. There are over 500 million daily users on Instagram and growing fast. So it makes perfect sense to market on Instagram. You can get started today for only $67. It would be one of your best investments this year for sure. Because the price can increase surprisingly, do not hesitate to buy and enjoy this software. Click the link in the description below for details. Check out how ProfileMate works.
Alright guys, welcome to the live demo of ProfileMate. I'm going to jump straight into it and show you how to use it and the results it will get you, because at the end of the day, all you care about is this going to get you results and how easy is it to do. So first I want you to think of any page that would have a following on Instagram that you want to target, right? For example, I'm going to use Tony Robbins in this example in a minute, and ProfileMate's going to go through all of his followers, 5.4 million followers, one by one, and start to then pull the key information that we want to get from hundreds of emails a day, mobile numbers, websites. You can see an example here of the type of thing you'll get. You can then take these emails, take the numbers, take the websites, take the usernames, and then go ahead and mass contact them. So what I'm going to do, find users. I'm going to go for the followers followings. There's other options here as well. We're going to view Tony Robbins followers. Boom. I'm going to hit analyze, and that's how simple it is. You can see here we've already gone through 250, 300, 350, 400 users, and it's going and building me this audience instantly. Now I want you to think for a second, I'm just going to download that. I want you to think for a second, any page that would have an audience that you want to contact. So if you're in affiliate marketing, for example, here's an affiliate marketing page, 64,000 followers. We scan this in ProfileMate, boom. We literally got hundreds of emails here that we can reach out to and contact. Phone numbers, descriptions of what these people do, their names, so on and so forth. If you're in e-commerce, you might want to do Nike. Or any sporting page, right? We took this image here and we went through and got the most engaged users, and you can see all of the different followers and the engagement scores, public emails, and so on and so forth. We did it for cooking. This cooking page here, you can see all of the different results that we got here instantly, and we even did it for a Instagram account that is about Paris, right? Over in France, and again, all of these insane results here. So simply let it run, download the file, and it's going to give us the usernames. Boom, I'm going to copy that, hit analyze users, paste that in there, type Tony Robbins, hit set, and then you'll be provided with all of the key areas and information we can build an audience on, from public emails, phone numbers, websites, engagement scores, what jobs they do, and so on and so forth. We're going to select it all. We're going to hit next. And then ProfileMate is going to go out and start to get all this information for you and provide it to you in a really nice little document like this here. And you can see instantly, we've already gone through a bunch of users. We've got 2 emails so far, and it will continue on like this. So let me pause this for a second and I'll come back in about 60 seconds. All right, we're back, and you can see here we've now got 85 emails and we've scanned through 849 users so far. So you can imagine how many emails we will get when we get up to the 5 million mark there. And a beautiful thing about this is every email is given from the Instagram account with permission for you to contact them. They want to be contacted. And I just want to show you a quick example of one of our main affiliate partners who tried this the other day, just did exactly what I showed you, implemented it here live in their actual campaign. They did a test campaign for affiliate marketing, sent an affiliate link to the leads they found, and you can see here he's made $1,000. And more, just as impressive in my opinion, 26% open rate, 9.1% click-through rate. It's absolutely insane. And you can see here the $1,000 in sales made here as well. So I think it's an insane tool, and I'm so excited for you to jump in and use this. Never have to pay for ads again, get all the launch week bonuses and whatnot. Now I'm going to jump back into the studio and show you how I will double your money back if you use ProfileMate and you don't get results on day 1. It's literally going to be a risk for you not to pick up. So I'll see you back in the studio.